viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to discuss about again Coin98 wallet, and this video is second last videos over Coin98 wallet because you know I have uploaded this video almost 6 to 7 days after because my health is not well, so that I'm late. So no problem. Today we are going to discuss about how we can swap one coin to other coin in Coin98 wallet. Yes, Coin98 wallet have also this tool or this option. If you have balance in your Ethereum or any other network, you can easily convert one to other or swap. So how can you do this? Is simple and easy. You must first of all subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Walls Info, and also press the bell icon button. And please share this video with your family and friend. If you share this video, so I get motivation from your side. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Okay, so viewers, now I'm going to first of all log in my Coin98 wallet, and after that I am giving the information how to swap or how to convert one coin to other coins. So first I need to open browser. Yes, you can see here my browser open front of me, and this time I have already installed Coin98 wallet. You can see here right top corner the wallet icon shown here. First I need to log in, and then I will give you information. Coin98 wallet is interface is open front of me. I'm going to enter my password here. Simple click unlock, and again I need to enter password because I am going to expand view of this wallet. Then you can properly view the options. Okay, so click on expand view. Now the wallet is open front of me, you can see here. And we have discussed in last video how to transfer how to receive fund in our Coin98 wallet. So you must watch my last video, which is very informative. Today we are going to swap or use convert. So which option you are going to use? You can see here in downside says shown the token NFT, and third option is swap. You just simple click on swap button, and now you can see here they is shown all information regarding the swap option. The first option is BNB and second option BUSD. Means if you need to convert your BNB to BUSD, so what will you do? Simple is that you just enter the amount here. Let's suppose you have 100 BNB and you need to convert in BUSD. So total amount will be you will get $27,263. It depends on current rate. Okay, I have not balance this time, so that you can see here there is shown your balance is or gas fee is not enough, but you can use same scenario which is I'm going to tell you in this video. Okay, so let's suppose you want to convert your 100 BNB and you will get 27,263 BUSD. So total information available here. Rate 1 BNB equal to 272.71 BUSD, and inverse rate is 1 BUSD 0.0036 BNB. Price impact 0.03%. You can also change your price impact in this scenario. So where you can change, I'm also giving to information how to change the price impact. And you can also see here standard 5, gas fee 0.00075 BNB and 0.2 gas fee, and liquidity fee is 0.3 BNB, and UI fee is $218. The fee is very high, I think, but gas fee is 0.20, means the gas fee is major. So if you need to convert this, so simple, enter your amount, and after that simple click on this option will be shown in front of you. You just simple swap button, and then your BNB converted to the BUSD, and you will receive your BUSD in your main interface. And you can see here where we going to swap. You can see here this source is used pancake swap, pan swap. And let's suppose you want to change the other coin. So what will you do? Simple click on the icon on BNB, then the list will be shown in front of you. You can see here USDT, BRT, Cake, USDC, MB Box, Ethereum, BTC. Let's suppose I need to change Ethereum, so simple click on Ethereum. And you can use also other option. Let's suppose BUSD, you need to use BUSDT. So you just write here the amount, how much you are going to Ethereum change to USDT. Simple enter amount here. Let's suppose 1 or 2, and after that your converted amount will be shown here, and you just simple click on approve button. So simple, you can see here, if I write here 100 Ethereum, so I will get almost $1,20,756. It's only approximately. And you can see here the charge fee will be shown here, also gas fee 0.20. Just read the information. After that you just simple click on approve button, then you can approve. So your transaction will be approved, and your Ethereum will be converted in USDT, and your USDT will be shown in your main interface of Coin98 wallet. Okay, and if you need to change the price impact, simple click on this clock area. Simple click on in 2 lines, and then you can see here there is shown slippage tolerance 0.5%, 1%, 5%, 10%, and 0.5%. So we have by default selected 0.03%, so there is shown 0.5%. It's depend on you which slippage tolerance you are going to use. Okay, but I recommend it to you, you just use the by default tolerance, and also you can change the default pairs BNB, DAI, BUSD, USDT. It's depend on you. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you swap one coin to other coin in Coin98 wallet. This is so simple and easy. You can easily change or convert or swap your one coin to other coin. If you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Words. So please also share this video with your family and friend, because if you need to get more information from my YouTube channel, so please motivate to me. Okay, so let's meet with you in a new video. Bye bye.